Not only looking amazing, but fully functional is the skid plate we're putting underneath your car. With the experience of the 65, I know that we will not run into ground clearance issue, but for any case, and especially for our famous topes and topecitos in Mexico, we are going to use that skid plate, which will help you survive in the case of the case. The suspension is bulletproof. You can drive with that car as fast as you like over a topes. You will not kill the suspension. You will scratch the underneath of the car, and with that skid plate you will not kill the engine neither. And then we are jumping to the exhausts. Fitting problems of the big engine in the 65 Falcon brought us finally to these headers, which are also amazing, fair and good for torque. And they will be also in your application very nice to work and with less clearance issues to realize. And this will be the complete hand-built exhaust system with 2 rear silencers, 2 middle silencers. The sound of this system is perfect. Car is not loud. You can live and sit and drive in that car for hours, for the whole day, without getting headache or even feeling molested. But the frequencies and outside of the car is still loud enough that everybody feels something serious is coming. We had a lot of luck, honestly, with the setup, because we only needed to replace these silencers for another product. Well, these are the silencers we were using finally, and this gave the system an amazing sound, and of course with the X-pipe hand-built here with us. So this is a nice thing, and the next step will be fuel. On the left side you see the original 16-gallon fuel tank. On the right side you see the 22-gallon fuel tank, which we absolutely recommend for your car, because if you're driving fast, the car will be thirsty. If you are driving normal, car will eat up normal fuel, but 22 gallons is an increase a lot. I don't remember how many percentage, but it's a lot. So Steve has been with the car without adjustment of the 750 Holley carburetor, even on the Pikes Peak. So we found over the years for the Carrera Panamericana a general adjustment. So once it's adjusted, you can forget the carburetor. In theory, you will never ever need to touch it again, just for normal service. Very happy with that. This is a very fair, very nice, bulletproof carburetor, which also works in cornering very nice, and on racetracks and ovals and everything. But in the same moment, it's not too complicated, so that you have to set up the carburetor for every 500 meters of sea level change, or if you have sun or if you have cold outside. Universal adjustment, amazed. I didn't know that it was possible, but the truth over the years told us this adjustment is just fine. The fuel pressure regulator, we're going to get a new one, and together with the fuel gauge, which is shock-proof, so that you know what pressure we have, and also for safety against leaks, this is a very important thing to use.